Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing blocksevent.org. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically another one of those Roblox scams that promise to give you free Robux in exchange for just clicking a video or clicking a button or watching some ads. And basically they claim to give you up to 50,000 and 100,000 Robux easily. So please beware of sites like these since they are a scam. All of them are a scam. So there is no such thing as free Robux here on the internet. So their predators or their prey, are just small children who don't know any better. So please advise your children, if you have any, to not fall for these scams. So as you can see, basically, they go over right here on malware tips. They go over how the scam works. Number one is always the advertising the free Robux offer, always on social media. Prompting users to input a username, and then you get this prompt right here just by clicking how many Robux you want, and then surprisingly at the end, never receiving the promised Robux. So please do not enter in any username or email or credit card information to this website, since they are very clearly a scam. And as you can see, if you go to their website, they are now taken down. The site can't be reached since have already been reported, thankfully. And yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.